Now, let me introduce the outstanding performance of the IKO Linear Motion Rolling Guide, Linear Rollerway Super X. IKO Linear Rollerway Super X features extremely smooth movement. Let me explain the reason for this. Here, we can see an enlargement of the track unit. The ends of the rollers that are the rolling elements are precisely guided by the casing and retaining plate to avoid the occurrence of skew by preventing slight tilting of the roller. This ensures stable rolling of the roller. Here we can see measurement of the frictional resistance of the slide unit underway. The horizontal axis shows the traveling distance and the vertical axis the resistance. This graph shows a comparison of the result of frictional resistance measurement with that of a ball type of the same size manufactured by another company. Compared to the other company's ball type, IKO Linear Rollerway Super X demonstrates a resistance approximately 40 to 65% that of the product. Moreover, IKO Linear Rollerway Super X shows none of the unstable deformation seen in the other company's ball type and demonstrates a stable frictional resistance. As we have seen so far, the adoption of IKO Linear Rollerway Super X enables realization of the good followability to the driving power of ball screws and linear motors, for example, and high accuracy positioning. Furthermore, reduction of friction loss caused by frictional resistance enables realization of energy conservation.